let's talk about the basics, the foundations. So let's talk about candlestick anatomy. So here's what the others won't tell you, right? Candlesticks can just be candlesticks, right? It's just candle, just a wick in a body. That's fine. What if I told you? What if I told you? Just by looking at the wick alone, you'll be able to tell that there is a reversal coming, right? Pretty wild. And inversely, with just the body of a candle, you'll be able to tell about continuation. Right? Let's get right into it. So, let's find a coin here. Let's find some price action. Okay, here we are. Very, very basic here. Very, very basic. Over here, this is a candle. This is a wick. This is the body. Right? Very, very basic. You should already know that. However, here's where things get quite interesting. Okay? So, we broke to the upside, okay, using this body. So when we do that, right, when you do that and you use the body, that means there's continuation for higher. And you do get that. Same thing here. We're making a higher high with the candle body, right? Very simple. Now, why did I choose this candle over this? Right? Where are my words? Okay, I'll just type it again. So, wick equals reversal, body equals continuation. Right? Stay with me here. So we first got that continuation. So when we close with the body, when we close with this body, that means there's continuation higher, right? Now, let's look at the wick. Here, we did not close with the body, just a wick. So what does that mean? It means a reversal, right? Not necessarily breaking structure, but we know that after seeing this candle alone, after seeing this wick, we'll be getting some kind of pullback or reversal. Same thing here. Guess what? This was not a body. This is not a body close, just a wick. Therefore, what did we see? A reversal, right? Very simple. Very simple. Now here's the same story. So what happened here? Was it a candle body close or a candle wick close? Right? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a wick. So what happens if there's a wick? Reversal. Okay? What happened? Reversal. It actually dumped like crazy, right? Reversal. Same thing here. Just a wick. Therefore, reversal. Right? Very simple. Very simple, but it's actually very powerful because without any strategy just yet, no strategy yet, just candlestick anatomy, you'll already be able to make some, intelligent guesses or like a thesis already before price plays out. Okay, so I showed you the upside. Now I'll show you the bottom. Right. So here's the thing. Did we close below? 3, 2, 1. Nope. Just a wick. So after that wick reversal down, we got a wick reversal up. Right? Very simple. Same thing here. What is this? Was this a close? Was this a close? Nope. Just wicks. And guess what? We got to push up. Right? Very, very simple, but very powerful. So I want you guys to check it out by yourselves. You'll be able to see that every single move is powered by these two. If a wick, wick only, and this reversal. If it's a body, right, then for sure we're getting a continuation. Okay? Now, let's move on.